Since 2004, U.S. Navy and Air Force pilots have reported seeing unidentified objects in the sky. But in recent years, those sightings have surged and become impossible to ignore. Between 2004 and 2021, there were 144 UAP reports. In 80 of those, the object was detected by multiple sensors. 11 came close to military jets, but only one was explained. In 2022 alone, that number jumped. 247 new reports, plus 119 older ones added. The total? 510 documented encounters. Some of these objects hovered motionless against the wind. Others moved between air and water seamlessly. Some looked like drones, but stayed in the air longer than any known model. Others flew in formation, with unnatural acceleration. In response, the military dropped the term UFO, too loaded, too sci-fi. The new term, UAP, unidentified aerial phenomena, and later expanded to unidentified anomalous phenomena to include underwater and space anomalies. And that wasn't the only shift. The Navy began training pilots to report sightings instead of staying silent. They even issued cards with protocols in case a UAP was encountered in flight. In 2021, U.S. intelligence officials gave a public report to Congress. They admitted they had no explanation for most of the objects. They didn't believe they were secret U.S. tech, and they had no evidence they belonged to foreign adversaries. The mystery deepened. Now, even NASA is involved. Administrator Bill Nelson confirmed the agency is helping the UAP task force rule out natural explanations. His words were chilling. We hope it's not an adversary on Earth that has this kind of technology, but it's something. And so, we keep asking, who is out there? How did we get here? Are we alone? It's a monumental shift in attitude. For decades, sightings were dismissed. Pilots were afraid to speak. The stigma was strong. But that's changing. Now, the U.S. government is calling for open investigation, citizen science, and transparency, a move that could redefine the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Which brings us to the Fermi paradox. In the Milky Way alone, scientists estimate 100 billion planets. Around 30 million are in the Goldilocks zone, not too hot, not too cold, where life could potentially arise. If even 1% of those worlds developed intelligent life, and if even 1% of those civilizations became spacefaring, we should be seeing evidence of thousands, maybe millions of alien races. So, where is everyone? That's the core of the paradox posed by Nobel Prize-winning physicist Enrico Fermi. If the universe is teeming with life, why haven't we encountered it? Maybe we have. Maybe the 510 UAPs logged by the U.S. Navy are whispers of a cosmic presence. Or maybe they're natural, strange, but explainable. Or maybe they're our own secret technologies. We still don't know. But here's what we do know. Something is flying in our skies. It's been recorded. It's been seen. And for the first time in history, the most powerful military in the world is admitting we don't know what it is. This could be the beginning of something extraordinary, or the ultimate reminder of how little we understand. At Infinity Beyond, we'll keep following the clues and bringing you closer to the truth, one revelation at a time.